What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day, kind of beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, I am Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we got something a little fun. We're going to the Moto America race at Road Atlanta. It's like Superbikes, King of the Baggers, you know, stock 600, stock 1000 classes, and a bunch of spectator events, all that type of thing. Unfortunately, it is gonna rain today at like 2 o'clock, but it should, I mean, it's only like 11 o'clock right now. We'll get there about 11:30, so it should be good for a little bit, but it is gonna rain at like 2. As you can see, it's freaking cloudy as crap. But yeah, we're on the way there right now. Gonna be about 30 minutes, 25 minutes to get there. But yeah, I'm excited. This is like my 4th year in a row going to this event, so I really like it. Should make for a good video. I was there last year too on a different bike, so now we'll be there on the FZ. It should be pretty fun. And then I got my boy on the other FZ, Slow 07 on the other FZ, coming out to watch it with us too. Him and his girl. Yeah, sorry, I'm still freaking sick. So, sorry if you get a bunch of sniffling in the video and I sound like a freaking ding-a-ling. Anyways, it is a little chilly today, actually. Yeah, for some reason, it's gonna get cold next week, bro. It's freaking May, and it's gonna be like 40, 47 degrees out in the morning. Are you kidding me? I thought we were done with bad weather. Like, what the frick? But I guess not. I don't freaking know. Georgia's so annoying, bro. Hey! Clean BMW, bro. I love gold wheels with the matte wrap. Sheesh. Oh yeah, I finally got a Sena little Bluetooth thing in my helmet now, because I tried to put a Cardo in there and I didn't think it was gonna fit. Well, it didn't fit because like it like crushed my head because it was sticking out too far, the speakers. But then I figured out that there's little like foam inserts like that you're supposed to take out and then put the speakers in, so now it fits perfectly. So now I can listen to music again finally on the bike, which is really fun. I'm glad I got to figure that out, even though I'm retarded. But hey, as long as I figured it out, that's alright. So we're rocking with some Pearl Jam right now, as always. Yeah. Sheesh. God dang, bro, it's a little chilly. I'm used to it being 80 degrees. Yeah, these next few weeks are gonna suck for weather. It's gonna be cold and rainy in May, in the summer. Are we deados? Oh, look at my reflection. Can I see it? No. What the frick? It's like perfectly angled to where I can't see myself. Stupid. Dun, 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 dun. Hopefully we'll also be able to see a stunt show there. They had those last year, but I didn't really know, or last few years, but I didn't really know about stunting back then. But now I'm trying to get into it myself, so that'd be cool to see if they had a little stunt show. We shall see. Yeah, last year there was, I think, mostly Harley stunt show. I don't know if it was like East Coasting or something. I doubt it, but that would be cool. But we'll see. No room to wheelie. It's alright. I just suck and I can't slow down my wheelies yet. Oh yeah, bro, last night we were at the mall and I was on this and I freaking like hopped over a speed bump. It was fun. I never done that before. I just like wheelied it a little bit right as I went over it and it was like doing. That was funny. God dang, I see all those rain clouds, bro. It's been sunny all week, and then the one day we have an event, it freaking rains. All right. It's alright, I got my rain jacket packed. Definitely gonna have to wear that on the way home. What the? Ooh, CT5 Blackwing. CTSV up there. With the... right there. The orange one. Sheesh! Bro, if I was like rich, I would definitely get one of those. Because you can get them in manual. Ooh! So cool, bro. Yeah, look at all this crap, bro. They turned this bridge into like a 2-lane road or instead of 4. God. It's alright. Maybe they'll be done sometime in the next 10 years. Ah! Surprised I haven't seen any other bikers yet. This event tends to bring a lot of bikers in, but oh well, there you go. But there is a lot of rain and stuff, so there's going to be a lot of rain, so maybe they decided not to come. I do not know. There we go, got a tiny bit of room there. I need to work on getting farther back and using that foot brake. It's just a little scary. Oh shoot, this is my turn right here. I forgot. Going a different way than I usually go. Brothers. Yeah, there's a lot of brothers at this event, a lot of Harleys. But still cool. God dang, there's all the bikers. Dude, those things look cool. I don't know what those are. New Harleys or something? Brazelton, Georgia. Nice little town. Got Road Atlanta. And that's about it. Ta-ha! God dang, bro. I'm freaking cold. Haha! God dang, so many people. All on CF Motos, bro. that like a CF Moto test ride? So many. We're in, boys. Moto America at Michelin Raceway 2025. Now let's just see where to freaking park. Probably just right there. Yeah. Ooh, S1000. Nice.
Let's do it. We'll start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Alright, y'all, we're just heading back from Moto America at Michelin Raceway, Road Atlanta. As you can see, I freaking started raining, just like I said, so about half of the races were in the rain. Saw a lot of slide outs, low sides, but it was still really fun. The first like hour and a half we were there, 2 hours, no rain at all, so we got to walk around the spectator thing and see all kinds of new bikes and booths and everything. I'll throw it up there, but I'm just gonna be riding home in the rain now for the rest of the time, so I'm sure my lens is all freaking fogged up right now. But anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see me go to more things like this, because I know I like going to them. But hopefully I'll be able to get out some more videos for y'all. It's gonna rain the next few weeks, so we'll see. But anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.